so much for watching our first video. Here I am with my friends Jenna, and it's very nice that we're doing this collaboration together. And for me this is my second video, and for her I think it's your first time.
First, yeah.
First of all, thank you so much for obviously letting me to come and
Of
collaborate with you.
Yeah.
Here we got this is my piece, just an abstract of the earth. This is all out of imagination, and just a small piece, and we are basically using this brand which is called Holcroft, a high flow acrylic paint. It's very hard to control, but you can get obviously an amazing outcome out of that, as you can see. And here we got this beautiful piece done by Jenna, and
Some help from Zia, of course.
looks amazing. I'm really
Yeah.
impressed. It's
Yeah.
beautiful, and obviously this is our second video. Hopefully we can do more collaboration.
For sure.
And I mean, she's been doing painting. You know, I have seen her work, and it's inspiring. And she also writes in very creative writing, which is good.
Thank you.
And the beautiful thing about art and the writing is they always play together
Yeah,
very well.
definitely.
And just tell me a little bit about your experience today, and how did
Yeah.
you find it?
Yeah, I think it's super fun to work with abstract paint, and you know, just kind of spontaneously going with the flow and watching the art itself come to life
Yes.
on its own. You know,
Yes.
we're just kind of assisting the process, but it really just flows on its own, and
Yes.
it results in something like this.
That's right. That's right.
I think the best part about it is it's one of a kind.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
No one can kind of make the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
exact pattern.
Exactly, that's right. As you guys can see, you know, the colors that we in here is more like earthy color. That's the blue and the white, and it's just a representation of the surface of the earth, you know, as we all are familiar with. And the beautiful thing about this is just the flow, and you can see the movement, the way you play with the color. And if you zoom in, if you can basically go into it, you can see those tiny bits that is still kind of like floating around, you know. And it takes about 48 hours to dry, and then after that we're gonna use this beautiful matte vanish. It's just gonna give it a really shiny finish to it, and then you can basically ready to hang it on the wall. And once again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll do more videos together,
Definitely.
but I really definitely enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Subscribe. He's an
yes.
amazing artist and photographer
Thank
as
you,
well.
thank you. We'll make more videos for you. Thank you so much. Cheers.